Happy Monday, room 13. Here is your morning packet work for Monday. We've got this assignment to start us off. This is your reading assignment for the day, and it's main idea in details. It looks really, really similar to the one we did last week. So let's take a look. You can see here that the instructions say to read each detail and choose the main idea from the box that goes with each detail. So you have two choices. There are many fun things to do on a fall day. There are signs that fall is on the way. So, looking at these choices down here, does this have to do with fun things to do in fall or signs that fall is on the way? So, for example, let's look at number 1. It says it starts to get dark earlier. I don't think that's a fun thing to do on a fall day. I think that's a sign that fall is on the way. So I'm going to use the text tool and put a letter B here. Same thing all the way down, and at the bottom you can choose to write one topic sentence from the box and 3 details, and then add a closing sentence, just like you did last week. Moving on to our writing assignment for the packet, we've got this nature poem. Woohoo! It's going to be super fun. Okay, it says that we are writing about a habitat, and a habitat is a natural home for a plant, animal, or organism. You know, there's like the rainforest habitat for the orangutans. Okay, obviously we don't live in a rainforest, so there's different habitats that are around. You're going to start thinking about your favorite type of habitat. Today, I want you to think of as many different habitats as you can below. Okay, so it says you're going to think about different types of habitats, choose one of your favorites, and write it in the middle of the circle organizer. Okay, so think about it. Maybe it's rainforest. Then you're going to think about the plants and animals that live there and fill each outer circle with a plant or animal that can be found. So if I did rainforest here with my text box, then I might include orangutans, other animals that live in the rainforest, durian fruit, because I know that grows in the rainforest, palm trees. Okay, whatever it might be, I'm going to include it here. Don't include palm trees. Remember, palm trees don't naturally grow in the rainforest. That's what they're using to destroy the rainforest. Here's the second part of your writing/reading activity, and this one is a nature poem that they have written. So here's an example. It says, read the passage below. Think about the animals described in the poem and what type of habitat you think they live in. A lizard skitters on the path. A muskrat takes a rustic bath. Beavers weave a home of sticks. Dragonfly does fancy tricks. Mallard glides among the reeds. Chipmunk rustles in the weeds. Turtle moseys through the mud. Whitetail nibbles on a bud. Eagle soars across the sky. Wobbler sings a lullaby. I'm as quiet as can be, only watching peacefully. So think about what kind of habitat these animals live in. You're going to include that at the bottom here. Math today. I am taking the training wheels off for you and your area problems. Oh no, look. No squares. You can do it. Remember, multiply the sides. The first one is a square. So if this side is 9, then this side is also, you guessed it, 9. Here's 3 feet and 10 feet. So 3 times 10 is going to give you an area of 30. Don't forget your labels. I sent a few back last week for no labels. If this is feet and this is feet, your answer should be 30 square feet. Use the text tool, not the pencil, to write them. It's much easier to read if you use this text tool over here. Last is this page, which may be cut off in your packet, so I'll show it to you quickly. It is this page. You are looking for pollinators today. There are flowers out. See what pollinators you can find. It's okay if you don't find them all, but see what you can find. For example, I don't think you're going to find a bat and a cactus, especially since you're looking in the middle of the day. If you do, I want to see a video of it. But look around, see which one of these pollinators you can find. I did have to look up this one on the bottom because I'd never heard this before, but I guess beetles are actually really good pollinators. So if you find any beetles, you can mark down that one as well. That's your packet work for today. Be sure to check and see about your other assignment as well. I want to hear about your weekend. Have a great day. See you out there.